Hey there, I'm Jared with the Annuity Expert. Today, we're going over a common question we get. Can I use a 403B to pay for college? Let's dive into it. A 403B is primarily designed as a retirement savings account for employees of public schools, certain tax-exempt organizations, and ministers. Its main purpose? To provide income during retirement, but in certain situations, you can use it to help cover college expenses. Now, before you rush to use your 403B for college, there are some key rules and potential tax consequences to consider. Let's break it down. First up, loans from your 403B. Some 403B plans allow you to borrow from your account balance. You can use these loans for any purpose, including college expenses like tuition. But here are some things you need to keep in mind. You can typically borrow up to 50% of your vested account balance or $50,000, whichever is less. The loan has to be repaid within 5 years. If it's not repaid, it's treated as a withdrawal and you'll owe taxes and possibly penalties. And you'll pay interest on the loan, but here's the good news. The interest goes back into your account. One big caveat: if you leave your job before paying off the loan, the remaining balance might become due immediately. Next is the hardship withdrawal option. Some 403B plans allow you to take hardship withdrawals for specific financial needs, including college tuition. However, there are some important considerations. You'll owe federal and state income taxes on the withdrawal. If you're under age 59 and a half, the withdrawal may also be subject to a 10% early withdrawal penalty. This penalty can be waived if the withdrawal is used for qualified education expenses. Keep in mind that withdrawals reduce the balance of your retirement savings, which could impact your financial security in retirement. If you take a withdrawal from your 403B, you'll owe federal income tax on the amount withdrawn based on your tax bracket. Additionally, most states also impose taxes on 403B withdrawals. For retirees over a certain age, some states offer exclusions for retirement income, which could help reduce the tax burden on 403B withdrawals. However, these benefits usually apply to retirement distributions, not withdrawals taken for other purposes like college expenses. It's important to review your state's tax rules or consult a tax professional to understand how this might apply to you. At the end of the day, using your 403B for college is an option, but it's not always the best financial move. Make sure to carefully weigh the short-term benefits of funding education against the potential long-term impact on your retirement savings. So, if you want to learn more, don't hesitate to reach out. You can visit us online at The Annuity Expert or call to schedule a free consultation at 770-755-1565. Again, that's 770-755-1565. Also, if you want more tips on your retirement, like and subscribe. Remember, it's never too early to start planning for your future.